This conference will now be recorded.
So I was trying to talk about this revenue account determination in our last class and what all things we have done. Okay, so I'm just trying to give a recap of what all steps we have done in revenue account determination. Was the first step was account assignment groups. Okay, so what type of revenue we make by selling the product? So we need to update that information in customer master as well as in material master. So in material master, we have a field by the name account assignment group, and in customer master we have a field by the name customer account assignment group over here, and we have looked into this one and we made sure these fields are activated as well. And then we started working out with our condition tables. So there are going to be 5 standard tables. We are going to be working it out. One on the name of customer groups, account group, sorry, material group and the account key. Second table, customer group and account key. Third table, material group and account key. Fourth table is the general, and fifth table is the account key. So these are going to be the 5 tables using which we can go for updation of our accounts. And we have an access sequence as well. So we have created an access sequence on the name of KOFI, which stands for account determination. And for that particular access sequence, we made sure condition tables has been assigned to it. And we made sure that 5 tables has been assigned to that particular access sequence over here. And then we started working out with our condition type creation. So we have 2 condition types, KOFI and KOFK. So when to use these 2 condition types, we need to be having a knowledge on. So one, we have a concept of centralized and decentralized. So when you try to work out with decentralized, we use KOFI as a condition type for accounts updation, and for centralized, we use KOFK as a condition type. And then we try to create a procedure as well on the name of KOFI00, and in that particular procedure, we made sure both the condition types are assigned, KOFI and KOFK over here. Now, once we created this particular procedure, we have assigned this particular procedure to the billing document type. So we have taken F2 as a billing document type to which we have assigned our procedure. And then we have gone for defining of account keys as well. So we have different account keys to focus on: ERL for revenue, ERS for reductions, MWS for taxes, ERF for freight. So we need to make sure all this account keys are assigned to the condition types maintained in the pricing procedure. So after that, we started working out with this particular step, assign GL accounts over here, which is nothing but combination of all these parameters put together: application plus condition type plus chart of accounts plus sales organization plus account assignment group of customer plus account assignment group of material, account key, and the GL account combination. So with the help of this particular formula, we try to go for updation of accounts over here. Now, when we talk about this application, and always this application need to be maintained as V. Always make sure you try to maintain application as V over here, where V stands for sales and distribution. Where V stands for sales and distribution. And then condition type. So we have 2 types of condition types to work out. So KOFI and KOFK. We are going to be using this condition type, followed by chart of accounts. So chart of accounts, this information is going to be provided by our finance department, and right now we try to maintain it as INT, which stands for International Standard Chart of Accounts over here. And then we try to work with our sales organization. Using which sales organization you want accounts need to be updated, maintain that sales stock information over here. Then account assignment group of customer. Now, what type of revenue we make by selling the product, whether it need to be classified under domestic revenues or foreign revenues, that's what we are trying to maintain it. So we update this one in our customer master. We update this particular field as customer master. This is nothing but a parameter. parameter used for revenue account determination. It's nothing but a parameter used for revenue account determination. Okay, and then AAGM, account assignment group of material. This one also will be called as a parameter used for revenue account determination itself. And we maintain this information in our material master. So what type of revenue we make by selling the products over here. Okay, we try to update that information. So in material master, we update it. And then we have an account key. So these account keys creation also will be created by LC department. So we are trying to work out with these account keys over here. ERL, ERF, ERS, these are all going to be the account keys and followed by the GL accounts over here. GL accounts. Now this GL accounts is going to be provided by FI. So there are going to be only two things which we are going to be getting it from FI. One is going to be the chart of accounts and second one GL accounts. Apart from that, rest of it is going to be done by the LC consultant. Okay, only this information you get it, like GL accounts information and chart of accounts information, you get it from FI. Rest of it, all values are going to be provided by LC. All values will be provided by LC over here. The combination of all these parameters put together, accounts are going to be updated. And where these GL accounts are going to be created. For this, we are going to be using a transaction code called as FS00 to create a GL account. Okay. To create a GL account, we use a transaction code FS00. To create GL accounts over here. Okay. Now I'm just trying to show you the screen. So please remember the transaction code as well. VKOA. VKOA is the T code for this. Now how to work it out? Just give me a second, guys. Okay, now see, so here I'm trying to basically get into VKOA transaction code over here. So if you get into VKOA, this how the screen is going to be looking. Now, if you pick any particular table, let's say we are trying to work out with the first table over here. So if you work with this particular table, customer group, material group, account key. Now this how the screen is going to be looking, where you can see all the fields are getting displayed. Combination of application, condition type, chart of accounts, sales organization, account assignment group of customer, account assignment group of material, accounting key, and the GL account. So combination of all these parameters put together, accounts are going to be updated if you try to work with the first table. In case if you try to work with the second table over here, there is a field is missing by the name material account assignment group. So if you click on it, you don't see material account assignment group information getting displayed up. There is only account assignment group of customer, which is shown up. There is no account assignment group of material over here. Now, if you work with the third table, material group account key, there is no account assignment group of customer. This is account assignment group of material. There is no account assignment group of customer over here. If you work with the next table, general, there is no account assignment group of customer. There is no account assignment group of material. There is no account key specific. There is only one field by the name GL account. And next one is going to be account key. So if you click on this account key, there is no account assignment group of customer. There is no account assignment group of material over here. Okay, so we need to get the input from our client using which table they are going to be updating the records. Now, in case if they don't maintain the value, in case if client says that they are not going to be maintaining the values in any of these two fields, account assignment group of customer and account assignment group of material, then these tables, out of these tables, we can use only these two tables for updation of accounts. If client says that he will be maintaining the information in customer group, not in material group, then we are going to be using this particular table. So you need to get the information from the client using which table they want this accounts need to be updated. Using which table accounts need to be updated. You need to get that information from the client. Based on that only, we are going to be doing the updation process over here. Based on that only, we do the updation process. Using which table we need to update the accounts. Okay. So right now, I'm trying to work with the first table over here. And client need to maintain the information both in customer master as well as in material master. Client need to update the information in customer master as well as in material master, account assignment group of customer and account assignment group of material over here. Now what we do? Now in this particular screen, to maintain the values, try to take the help of new entries and update it. So before that, let me try to check the GL accounts maintained. And if you're right now, we are not trying to create any GL accounts. We are going to be using the standards. So first thing, I'm just trying to select what all GL accounts has been assigned for 1000 company code, 1000 sales organization. And we try to use that one for our entry as well. ERF, ERL, okay. These are the GL accounts which we required. Okay, now see. So here, try to basically take the help of new entries and maintain the information. Application, always try to maintain it as B, condition type, KOFI, chart of accounts, INT, sales organization, YSAM, account assignment group of customer, try to maintain it as 01, domestic revenues. Account assignment group of material, try to maintain it as 03. We are trying to work out with the finished product. Account key, ERL. So for ERL, update the GL account. There's a GL account number. And always the account number, GL account number is going to be of 10 digit. Maximum length is of 10 digit. So I'm trying to maintain. So whenever you try to sell any particular product, that selling price information is going to be updated in this particular GL account. In the same way, update it for our discount. ERS. For ERS, we are trying to work out with this particular GL account, 888 is the one. And third one for taxes, MWS 1,75,000. 01 stands for account assignment group of customer. what type of revenue we make it by selling the product, domestic revenues or the foreign revenues. And this particular field, what type of revenue we make by selling the product, trading goods revenues, finished product revenues, or what. 03 represent finished product revenue. So I'm trying to maintain it as 03 over here. So maintain this information over here. Maintain this information and try to save it. Done. Now this is what we need to maintain it over here in VKOA transaction code. Now once to maintain all these particular steps, now what next? We need to run a cycle and check accounts document has been updated or not. So run forward cycle and check accounts document has been generated or not over here. Now do this particular step. Now see, so I'm just trying to run the cycle over here. So starting with order creation VL01. Now, when you try to go for creating an order, there are going to be few parameters which we need to check. If you get into header data, under header data, get into accounting tab and check whether account assignment group of customer has been maintained up or not. There's the first field we need to check it. Come back, and once you try to enter the material information, so HDTV, I'm trying to take around 5 units. Now get into item data. Under item data in billing tab, check account assignment group of material has been updated up or not. There's a field what you need to observe. At header level, account assignment group of customer. At item level, account assignment group of material. So check this one. Under conditions tab, check out the price maintain, rest of the parameters, and try to save it. Order has been created. For this, work out with the delivery. So if you get into VL01N, SMSP, I'm trying to work out with delivery. Now, get into picking tab, pick the stock and do the PGI over here. Now delivery has been done. Final step, work out with the billing, VF01. And it is going to be the concept of delivery related billing. And once again in billing document, check account assignment group of customer and material has been copied up or not. So if you get into header data, we need to check account assignment group of customer has been updated. In the same way, double click on this line item and check account assignment group of material has been updated up or not. Here you can see account assignment group of material is there. Now getting to conditions tab, the selling price is there, taxes are there. I'm just trying to add one discount over here, K004. Which stands for material discount. I'm trying to offer 1,000 rupees as a discount over here. And that's going to be the value 5,000. Now try to save it. Now once you save it, we need to get this particular message. Document has been created. Now you can see we are not getting anything in brackets saying that error in account determination. Like I'm just trying to show you, we are not getting this one, error in account determination. If you're not getting that error, that means accounts has been updated. Accounts has been updated up over here. Now to check out that accounts, get into change mode, click on document flow, and you can see. So status. Now what is the status coming as? For order complete, delivery complete, billing complete, and accounts document is not cleared over here because we have not received any kind of payment from the customer. So the status should be not cleared. Once you get a payment from the customer, then status will be changed to cleared over here. And if you want to check out the accounting entries generated, you can see this particular tab, accounting tab. So click on this accounting tab. There's our accounts document number. Get into details and check the values maintained up over here. Check the values maintained up. Now this is our accounts document number over here, against which company code, financial year, month, posting date, reference document number. This is nothing but our billing. So one thing you need to keep in mind whenever you try to work out with revenue account determination, accounts document will be created, will be generated with reference to billing document only. You're not going to be creating it with reference to delivery or order. It will be always created with reference to billing document only. Please remember this particular thing. And what is the transaction code to create accounts document? FB01 for create mode, FB02 for change mode, and FB03 for display mode. FB01, FB02, FB03. These are going to be the transaction code to create an accounts document manually. Right now we are trying to work out with automatic process, but there's going to be the manual process. And the document type used over here is going to be taken as RV, accounts document. Please remember the document type. Document type used is going to be taken as RV. And table. So table name in which accounting information, these values are going to be getting updated up. So BKPF, BKPF, which stands for accounts document, which stands for accounts document over here. Please remember all these things, and you can check like what is the total amount what company need to receive it from the customer. 2,04,000. Sorry, yeah, 2,4750 over here. Out of which revenue 2 lakhs is getting updated in this particular GL account. Discount amount is getting updated in this GL account. Tax amount is getting updated in this particular GL accounts. So these are the GL accounts what we have assigned it. So when a transaction is done, the respective amount is going to be posted to the GL accounts over here. This is how it will be shown up. These are the GL accounts. Now see, so I'm just trying to show you like to check out the GL account balance. To check GL account balance, like how much amount is there in that particular GL account over here, we can use a transaction code called as FS tenant. There's a T code to check GL account balance. So if you get into FS tenant transaction code, maintain the GL account number. Let's say for taxes, I'm just trying to show you 1,75,000, company code, fiscal year, and try to click on execute icon over here. Now you can see the balance is coming as 9750. Hello. Sunny, ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను ఒక్క నిమిషం Sunny. Yeah, now here you can see. So for this particular transaction, what is the tax amount what we came up? So tax amount came around 9750 over here. The same amount has been posted in this GL account. You can see debit credit balance. We have not received any kind of payment for this particular transaction, so the balance is coming as 9750. Once payment has been done, this amount is going to be getting debited and value will be zero. Value will be zero. Or if you try to work out with our revenues, for revenues we maintain it as 8 lakhs. So maintain it, click on execute. Now you can see there's a one. So for our billing transaction, you can see there's a one, 2 lakhs. The same amount has been reflected up over here as well. Same amount has been reflected up over here as well. That's how it's going to be working. Okay, so like there's going to be the thing which you need to know. And next one, there is certain report, customer line item specific. You need to know customer line item specific. Like from a particular customer, what are the outstanding payments you want to collect it? Customer line item specific. For this, you use a transaction code called as FBL3N. Customer line item display. From which customer, how much amount need to be collected? What are the outstanding payments? So we can get that information by running this particular T code. So if you click on this FBL3N transaction code, FBL3N, okay, this GL account line, FBL5N, sorry. This is going to be FBL5N, not 3N. So if you click on FBL5N, so I want to check what are the outstanding payment need to be made by this particular customer. So if you click on execute, now you can see there's a value, 2,04,000. That's what you can see it. 2,04,000 is a payment which is pending. And what is our document type? RV. RV is nothing but accounts document number. RV is nothing but accounts document type. What is our document type? Use it for accounts document create. Okay, so this how your accounts are going to be getting updated up over here. Now the assignment on this particular topic. So it's a small assignment. Do it today and let me know. What are going to be the accounting entries when billing document is generated? Accounting entries when billing document is generated. Which account is going to be credit? Which account is going to be debit? I want an answer for this. If you can't, tomorrow I'm going to be explaining it. But if you can do this, it's going to be really good. Okay. So work out with this and let me know. Tomorrow there are going to be few more things which I want to discuss related to this account determination. Two small concepts, but it will be having a big impact on this. We try to check it out and try to work with another concept by the name credit management or rebates. Credit management or rebates. We try to discuss that one. Okay, right, guys. So I'm going to be sharing this notes and the videos now. Please go through it, work it out, and let me know, please.
Hello. Yeah, but don't forget to share this ninth video.
Yeah, I got it. I'm going to be sharing it.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you so much.